Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Toni. Yep, that's me, all frozen up. So here's the deal. My intro got cut off and my camera stopped recording from here. So I'm going to pick it up from here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Toni and I'm a beauty and lifestyle content creator. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. It feels so good to be back on YouTube after a long time. And I'm so excited for what's in store. So if you're also a new subscriber, thank you so much for choosing to watch my video, and I hope you subscribe before you leave. Today's video is all about 5 makeup products I think you shouldn't spend a lot of money on, you shouldn't splurge on. If you'd like to know about these 5 products, keep on watching and I'll see you later. She's running through my mind all day. Hey. The first makeup product is a beauty sponge. Yes, a beauty sponge. I feel like we're at that point in the makeup or the beauty industry where you do not have to spend a lot of money on beauty sponges, because we now have really cheaper and more affordable options that you can find almost anywhere in like your supermarket, the drugstores, or online on Amazon or AliExpress or Alibaba. So yes, and they are really good quality. They give you the same results as the high-end brands. So I honestly don't think that you should splurge on this. Like, you can get a set of 4 for the same price as you would buy one from a high-end brand. So yeah, and you get the same results. It's the same quality, to be honest. So yeah, you honestly do not need to spend a lot of money on blenders. So you can easily get cheap and quality ones on AliExpress, Alibaba, Amazon, or like your local drugstore. You get, so that's number 1. The next one is lashes. Yes, lashes, just like beauty blenders. Come on, you can find really good, affordable. I don't want to use the word cheap because there are grades in lashes. The lashes I'm referring to are those ones that are in the middle width. It's not those plasticky, tacky looking one. I'm going to set a picture here. Yes, not this one. This is not what I'm talking about here. I'm talking about like the full mink lashes or the mink lashes. Like, compared to maybe 3, 4, 5 years ago, like, lashes are so affordable and you can get them cheaper, lesser. Anyway, of course, on the same platforms, you can check on Amazon, you can check on Alibaba, AliExpress, or like a local drugstore or supermarket. But please do not wear this. This is not what I'm referring to. I'm talking about the full mink ones. Just like in beauty blenders, you can get a set of 5 or a set of 6, at the same price that you would get one from a high-end brand. So to be honest, like, you don't need to. Also, if you can afford it, please go ahead and buy it. The third product is a lip liner. Yes, lip liners. I know some people like are very picky with their lip liners, but personally, I'm not. I won't say I'm not picky, but I don't really care to spend money on a high-end lip liner or something quite expensive. And you get my points, because I have found drugstore products that give almost the same, honestly, and some the same quality as the high-end brands. So you can find lip liners for all skin tones at very affordable brands. Like, just walk into a drugstore and pick up a lip liner. They're quite affordable and they do the job. To be honest, they do the job. So brands like NYX, LA Girl, yes, LA Girl, NYX, L'Oreal, Maybelline, or even lesser brands. Sorry, I can't really think of anything, but basically you don't have to spend a lot of money to get really good, effective lip liners. The 4th product is a clear lip gloss. Yes. Don't waste your money buying a clear lip gloss from a high-end brand. Like, it's a clear lip gloss, like, you get the point. You get the point. Don't mind me. Anyway, clear lip gloss. You can find numerous drugstore brands that will give you like very juicy clear lip gloss quality. Okay, don't spend so much money. I remember growing up that this brand is called Absolute lip gloss. I came across this recently, and it's still as good and as effective anyway as it was, and it's really cheap. Trust me, it's cheap. I think Absolute is cheaper than drugstore brands, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, you don't need to splurge on a clear lip gloss. That's if you're looking to save money, when in budget, please just go for a very good drugstore or supermarket or local store brand that you find with a good consistency. I know people don't really like the sticky ones, but I've seen that brands, you know, they're listening to customers, and the consistency isn't as sticky for most brands. So yeah, don't splurge on a lip gloss. No, don't splurge on a clear lip gloss. And finally, the last product is an eyebrow gel. Yeah, this some people may not agree with, but I don't think, like I said, if you can afford it, like, by all means go ahead. Like, if you have the money, you're financially buoyant, please do, but do not feel pressured to spend a lot of money on an eyebrow gel, because trust me, there are cheaper and way more affordable brands that will give you quality eyebrow gels. Or you can go the DIY route and use a clear hair gel, like the edge control. Like, I used to do that back in the day. Yes, so you can do that. Use a spoolie or an old eyebrow brush or something like that. Anyway, so yes, you don't have to splurge on an eyebrow gel. Like, don't be pressured. If you can afford it, fine, but don't be pressured. Just, you know, take your time, explore the alternative, and you find out that you don't need to be honest. All right, guys, so those are the 5 products I personally think you do not need to splurge on or spend a lot of money on. So let me know if I missed out anything. Let me know if you do not agree with anything, or if you agreed with any of the items I mentioned. So yeah, just let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Did I miss out anything? What do you think? So thank you so much for watching. My name is Toni. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Thank you. You can follow me on all platforms, Instagram, TikTok, yeah, and of course YouTube. Yes, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.